let's set up Kiana.
Yeah, let's set up Kiana.
Right. So make sure we have 4 pieces of Kiana, and we already get ready for everything for you guys. We just do like this.
Yeah,
Close it.
join them together.
Pretty easy. Use your hand.
We just use your hand. Yeah, we just use the hand just to screw it.
Yep.
And you can use a tool. All right.
Yep.
There you go.
Yep. Put on the base.
Yeah, here's the base.
Yep. Put on the base.
Also screw it on.
Yep. Screw it on.
Yep.
And then we got this part.
Here.
Also, do it like a moon shape, okay? Close it.
Then use the cap.
Pretty easy.
Easy.
Handmade.
Yeah, handmade. There you go. And then we got the last piece.
Last piece, yes.
Last piece.
Here we go.
Okay, just repeat what we did. It just drop off. Okay.
Yep, then we finish set up Kiana forward arch.
Yeah. Let's see the front.